Hi everyone! Ever had that moment? Oops, I forgot to buy ramen noodles. Well, no worries. Today I'm sharing an amazing hack to make authentic ramen noodles using just spaghetti. So let me get straight to the best part. Simply add a tiny bit of baking soda when you boil your spaghetti. That's all it takes. It transforms into noodles with the classic ramen flavor and that wonderful chewy texture. You might be thinking, really? But trust me, it tastes genuinely delicious. Wondering how it works? In short, ramen noodles are made with an alkali ingredient called kansei, which gives them their signature chewiness and flavor. Adding baking soda makes your boiling water alkaline too, causing the spaghetti to change just like real ramen. Alright, so now let's make a quick and tasty soy sauce ramen using these almost magical noodles. I'll show you exactly how to use the baking soda and the right amount. Let's get cooking! 15 grams of scallions. This recipe is for 1 serving. Mince it. 20 grams ham. Cut into stripes. 350 ml of water for soup making. 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 teaspoon Shantang seasoning or bouillon as a substitute. Half teaspoon sugar. Pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon vegetable oil. Lard or chicken oil is okay. A pinch of ajinomoto. Mix well. Bring to a boil over medium heat. Once it comes to a boil, the soup making part is done. Alright, let's dive into making ramen noodles with spaghetti. Strain of water for 1 to 2 servings. Medium heat. Boil water. Make sure the water is at a roaring boil. 1 tablespoon of baking soda per 1,000 ml of water. Make sure to use baking soda, not baking powder. Watch out, it forms up. Half tablespoon salt per 1,000 ml of water. Too much salt weakens the effect. Mix baking soda and salt well until completely dissolved. 100 grams spaghetti. Cook for about 1.5 times longer than package instructions. After boiling, you should notice the smell of ramen noodles. Rinse the cooked noodles in water. This step is necessary, unlike with regular spaghetti. Wash lightly to remove any slimeness, as over-washing can dilute the flavor. Unlike regular spaghetti, drain the water well. These noodles are straight, but they should be a pretty good ramen noodle substitute. Even though it's a substitute noodle, it's delicious.